In this section, we will explore several useful functions related to numbers in Python, which are essential for beginners who are just getting started with programming. Some of these functions are located within the Math module. Let's dive right in. The round function is a built-in function in Python, and all we need to do is type round and pass a value or a variable as an argument, and the function will round that number for us. The ceil function of the Math module rounds a number up to the nearest whole integer. On the other hand, if we want to round a number down, we can use the floor function from the Math module. The function rounds a number down to the nearest whole integer. The abs function is another built-in function in Python that gives the absolute value of a number. This means that if we pass in a negative number, it will return the positive value instead. The pow function raises a base number to a certain power. To use this function, pass in two arguments, the base and the exponent. The scart function is another function located in the Math module that can be used to find the square root of a number. Lastly, we have the max and min functions. The maxIv function can find the largest of a varying amount of values or variables. Similarly, the min function can find the smallest of a varying amount of values or variables. And that's it. These are some useful functions related to numbers in Python that you can use in your projects. Have fun exploring and experimenting with these functions.